country, the planet is a bigger sphere, and all of us need to look after the planet Earth. It was on the 16th of March that the children stopped coming to school. For the rest of the school, the academic session was over because they had finished with their final examinations. However, it was our 12s that were having classes. So once the lockdown was finally declared, we were actually concerned for them. We were aware of the different online platforms like the Google Meet, the Google Hangout, Microsoft Teams, Zoom. After having tried all of them, we found the Zoom app most user-friendly and convenient. Immediately we got the teachers on board, we trained them up, and from the 27th of March, our classes were on for Standard 12.
The computer copy is like the one we used in class 3.
The fact that it has opened up new aspects and ideas in teaching as well as learning is a great experience overall. The only difference is in the fact that these classes happen in the comfort of our homes and despite being face-to-face are not in person. Besides that, it's all the same and is highly enjoyable.
Vidhi, are you there? Yes, I can see Vidhi. The sessions that we carry out with them is no less than a real classroom situation. At first, we teachers were quite wary of how this would go on because it had never been done before. But by and by, we got used to it, and now we are experts in our own rights.
So this lockdown is definitely taking a toll on the mental well-being of not only the adults but also of the children. I think for children even more, because they are kind of trapped in the house. They are so used to going to school every day. But now they can't go out, even to go out and play. It can be really frustrating, and it can actually psychologically pull you down as to what to do every day. It becomes boring for them, and nowadays children come up with this thing almost every half an hour. They'll say, "Mama, what do? I am bored," or they are just glued to the gadgets. But the good thing, when these online classes started, it was a blessing, because now they have they have a fixed routine. It's like they go to school, so they get up every morning, they look forward to their classes, they look forward to meeting the teachers, their friends, though it is virtually, but at least they get to interact with more people, just their parents. Of course, as a parent, I was worried how these classes will go on, because we usually used to the usual day-to-day schooling. So to my surprise, the classes are really going on very well. The teachers are very well versed with the technology. The children are enjoying the classes, and in fact, it's a new experience for them.
We did have a few hiccups, but after having seen to all that and having been satisfied with the way classes were going on, we decided that we would do the same for the rest of the school.
So did you all understand what I am trying to say? Is it a thumbs up from your side? Have you all understood what I said? Great. It is not only academics that we are dealing with. There are other aspects which we are paying importance as well. For example, we have been teaching children the essentials of yoga. They have been taught aerobics, arts and craft, drawing lessons have been imparted to them, and why to leave out sports. The children are having a mix of everything best that we could give them.
If you ask me how it is different from a normal classroom setting, in a normal class we do show things on the smart board, but then giving those and sharing those things with the children through pen drives or other storage mediums becomes a very humongous task. Whereas here all you need to do is just send a link and you are anywhere online with them. They can consult you on the spot. The children have given a very, very, very positive feedback to this. They are rather enjoying this method of homeschooling. Some of them are very keenly looking at coming back to school, whereas some want to carry on with this homeschooling method.
The children have learned to cope with the lockdown really well. They know they're more safe and comfortable while they are home, And honestly, with e-school coming home, it's really calmed the nerves of the children. They're in a more constructive schedule now. A disciplined start of the day. They're busy academically almost for half a day. They also have homework in the evening to do, so there's enough tasks given. And the sports classes are offered from the school, which they have to do in the evening. So kids are spending constructive time at home without whiling away too much now.
The system, I think, is going to reset the entire education concept, which was earlier based on just preparing for exams. And why I say that, because they have done a commendable job in enabling personalized lesson charts, which makes learning more interactive, more fun, and more engaging. Apart from academics, they have also started co-curricular activities and sports. So the changes that I see in my daughter is that she is more self-motivated to finish her work. She is definitely sticking to a routine. There's definitely a discipline in her work. And it is more, there is no peer distraction.
So techniques like mind mapping, instructional design, adaptive learning is used here. So typically students have a greater chance or a greater capacity to monitor their classroom performance and also to check on assignment instructions. It also has enhanced their interactions, and moreover recording of classes helps in clearing doubts.
I think online classes are a good experience for me because, I spend more time at home and I get to learn new stuff. Like I learned how to skate and I learn new pieces on the piano. I also compose my own pieces. I'm learning how to cook. I know how to cook fried rice till now. That's about it. And I also learned how to do something called ventriloquism. Rexy, come here. Yes, I can't believe it. Oh, is it your interview? Again? Oh, darn it. Awkward. Okay, and I also like it because I get to spend some time with my parents, and yeah. And I also keep climbing on stuff. I'm the monkey of my house. That's all I can say. Yes.